So I did a stream on the day of the halving, like pretty much everybody else, and we discussed many different things throughout the market, different coins, different things that are taking place, and different changes that are happening. For example, the tokenization of real world assets. At the time, it was kind of speculation. We talked about how it may, impact the industry, what might come from this. But today we're talking about something different. We're talking about execution. And this execution is actually taking place on the Hedera blockchain. And it comes along with a very big name, a name that is growing in this space, a name that handles a lot of money and may bring bigger waves into the industry. I'm talking about Blackrock. So what we officially saw was the tokenization of a money market fund on Hedera from Blackrock. So how this was facilitated was that Archex, a London-based digital asset exchange broker and custodian, tokenized the Blackrock ICS US Treasury money market fund on the Hedera blockchain. So they collaborated with the Hbar Foundation and the institutional grade digital assets platform Onera to bring the MMF to Hedera. So what the Hbar Foundation said was, today we witness RWA history as BlackRock's ICS US Treasury money market fund is tokenized on Hedera, marking a major milestone in asset management by bringing the world's largest asset manager on chain. This is a very, very big deal. And this is, again, how the ball gets rolling. This is the pilot program. This is the test subject. This is where this starts to get exciting, bringing blockchain utilization to a much, much bigger level. And remember, this is not the only institutional company out there. There are lots of them with lots of different funds. So now the ball gets rolling. It starts rolling downhill. And this is a big deal. Hbar, Hedera is the one that, again, now makes the waves for the industry. This is a very big deal. Now, me personally, guys, I don't own any Hbar. Unfortunately, definitely wish I did today, because guess what? Hbar is absolutely exploding. It is loving this. We have talked about Hbar before. I do like Hedera Graph. Unfortunately, you can't own every asset in the space. If you can, well, then great. You're probably too diversified. But right now, it is obviously exploding on this news. You guys can see from this bullish momentum flashing on the charts here, you can see it's up about 56% since the last DCA that flashed on here, even if it was at the thick point of this wick here, up about 86%. So it is crushing it. It is running heavily right now. And I have to say this, right now, it's running at a time where not anything else is. There's a lot of FOMO kicking in here. And I have to say this, tread lightly here with caution. Okay. This is the highest price point that Hbar has been since May or April of 2022. That's a long time. Now, sometimes these are sustainable. If we continue to see further news, continued tokenization of real world assets on Hedera, I mean, this could become something much, much bigger. But again, just tread lightly. It's a big news, big pump from this at a time where stuff is not very exciting. Now, if you guys want do want to check out my indicator, the link's in the description below. Gives people some great opportunities to add, like you've seen on the charts here. So, but this is big news nonetheless. I think there are going to be a lot more eyes on Hbar than there were 24 hours ago. I think this is going to continue to grow and do well, and we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, how big you think this is for the industry, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.